Every year, Inspira are asked several common questions from young people and their parents about A-level results day. In this video, I will go through some of these questions and help clarify concerns about this important day ahead of you. So what are these questions?
How do I know if I have been accepted to universities I have applied for?
The track system on the UCAS website is where you will be kept informed of the progress of your application. If decisions have been made by your chosen universities, then UCAS have been notified. You can expect to see these changes to your offers on your track. I have not quite met my grades for the course I wanted to go on. What do I do?
Check track first, as you may have been accepted. Sometimes students are accepted with slightly lower grades. If you've not been successful, remember you can still get a place via clearing.
If you change your mind entirely or would like to take a break from studies before reapplying to university next year, you can consider resits or maybe a gap year.
To enter the world of work whilst gaining a vocational qualification, think about securing an apprenticeship. I did not want to go to university, but now I have my results, I have changed my mind. Am I still able to apply?
Yes, you can apply. You can register on the UCAS website. Do not enter any course choices. This will generate a clearing number and you can approach universities with places to see if they can accept you.
What if I get better grades than expected?
If you had known you'd done this well, would you still have selected the same course in university? If you are no longer sure, adjustment can give you the option to pick an alternative course requiring higher grades.
To use adjustment, you simply need to have met and exceeded the terms of the conditional offer from your first choice. Adjustment is available from A-level results day until the 31st of August.
If you decide you would like to change, you will need to register this on track and contact the university admissions office directly. Can I defer my place on results day?
If you do not already hold a deferred offer, you can ask your university to defer your place for a year. Be prepared to explain your reasons for this.
While many universities will agree to this, if they don't, you could choose to withdraw your application for this year and reapply when the process starts for the next student intake. For any more questions, Inspira advisors are available to contact over results day and beyond. Thank you for watching and best of luck on results day.